Welcome back to 1 Minute English. Today we are going to discuss a grammar rule, especially important for exams like Bank PO and SSC. Let's understand why both and not cannot be used together and what to use instead. Many students mistakenly use both and not in a negative sentence. However, this combination is grammatically incorrect as both is used for positives and not signifies negatives. So this is not correct. Instead, we should use neither nor to talk about two negative items. Example: both Ramesh and Suresh did not qualify for the exam. This sentence is incorrect because both and did not is used together, which makes its confusion. So this is not correct. The correct way of writing the same is to use neither nor. For example, neither Ramesh nor Suresh qualified for the exam. There are some rules for using neither nor as well. When we are using neither nor and both the subjects are singular, then the verb will also be singular. For example, neither the teacher nor the student was present. Teacher and student is singular noun, so verb, which is was, is also singular. If one subject is plural, other is singular, then verb is used according to the subject which is closest to the noun. For example, neither the manager nor the employees were informed. We use were because were is used in response to employees, which is a plural noun which is closest to it. Then neither the employees nor the manager was informed. So the closest noun to was is manager, which is singular, so we are using singular verb. Third rule that you have to keep in mind for neither nor is that neither and nor is used for only two subjects. If you want to use more than two subjects, for example, Ramesh, Suresh nor Raju was present, you need to use none of them because neither and nor is used only for two subjects. Let's do some error finding questions as well for practice. First question is, both the candidates did not perform well in the group discussion conducted last Friday. Pause the video, try to find out the answer. The incorrect part is B, as did not is mentioned. What will be the correction? We can use neither of the candidates performed well. Second question, the report stated that both the systems did not respond properly to the emergency situation. Pause the video and find out the answer. The answer is C part. Correction, neither of the system responded properly. Next question, neither of the candidates nor their supporters was present at the rally. Pause the video to find out the answer. Incorrect part is C, was present, because the nearest subject is supporters, which is plural, so plural verb should be used. It should be were present and not was present. Last question, both Rahul and his brother were not invited to the function. So the correction is in C part. It should not be were not invited because after both we need not to use not. So the correction is neither Rahul nor his brother was invited. Also the verb, which is were, is incorrect because here both are singular subjects, so we need to use singular verb. So the sentence should be neither Rahul nor his brother was invited to the function. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more such content.